In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find or get the sprint ID or number in Jira. If you're managing projects using Jira, especially with Scrum boards, knowing how to quickly locate sprint information can be incredibly useful. Let's dive into the steps that will help you retrieve the sprint ID efficiently. First, you'll need to navigate to your Scrum board within Jira. This is where all your sprints and issues are usually located, and you'll find a wealth of project information at your fingertips. It's essential to ensure that you have access to the specific board where your sprint details are housed, as this is crucial for the process we're about to go through. Once you're on your Scrum board, the next step involves opening an issue in the full screen view. Now, the reason for opening an issue in this way is that it provides better visibility and access to the detailed information connected to the issue, including the linked sprint detail. If you're unfamiliar with how to open an issue in full screen, usually there's an option to expand the issue for a more comprehensive view, so look for that on your board. After the issue is displayed in full screen, direct your attention to the sprint field. Here, you should see the linked sprint name displayed as text. Now, hover your mouse pointer over this text because Jira has a neat little feature that will come into play. When you do this, you'll trigger a small pop-up that reveals the link information associated with the sprint name. As you hover over the sprint name, pay close attention to the bottom left corner of your screen. This is where browsers like Firefox and Chrome come into the picture, as they typically display a preview of the URL or link you're hovering over. You might see a long string of text at this point, but don't worry, it contains exactly what you're looking for. Finally, focus on finding the numerical value that appears at the end of this string directly following the phrase Sprint ID. This number is your Sprint ID. It's important because this ID can be used in various scenarios within Jira, such as querying sprints or linking issues, providing a unique identifier for your current sprint. Remember, these steps are designed for ease and efficiency in accessing the Sprint ID, allowing you to maintain seamless project management operations within Jira. Whether you're updating stakeholders or organizing tasks, knowing how to quickly find this information can help streamline your workflow. And there you have it. With these steps, you now know how to effectively find or get the Sprint ID in Jira. Stick around for more tips to enhance your project management skills. Thanks for watching, and happy sprinting.